Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today I'm going to be talking about which company do you hire to do IRS resolution work. I'm a former IRS agent. I worked about 10,000 cases. I worked at IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Don't I look good for it? I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've been on a whole bunch of national TV lately talking to me about my IRS situations. You can look at my whole team, which is really important to me, and you can look at my videos at 777irs.com. You'll see a link below how to contact me. Anyway, this is a really important topic to me because on this phone, I get so many people been ripped off paying tens and twenties and $30,000 of people promised that they were going to get offers and compromise through and get their debt settled, and that never went ahead and never went down, ever went down, and that's really sad. I find that really sad because people just rip people off. This industry, I should know, I'm a former agent, is full of a bunch of sharks and people who jump from industry to industry. They opened a little back end office of people that know some things and don't know a lot, and then the sales team and the owners are peddling these offers and compromise, and they're garbage. You see all kinds of the 5 best this, the 5 best that. They're all full of crap. There are no such thing as 5 best because no one's measured every tax resolution company. It's a bunch of crap. If you see those ads, you should spot them and just eliminate them because you don't know. They're lying to you, the 5 best. There's no such thing. Those 5 best companies are owned by those companies. Come on, who are we kidding? So what I'm going to try today is just help you make a determination as to who you can trust for a resolution company. I do tax resolution, but there's a lot of good other companies out there. Most are garbage, but there are good ones, and I want to tell you who the good ones are. First of all, when you are speaking to someone, know that 90% of the time you're speaking to a salesperson or an associate, and those people can't put offers and compromise through. They can't because they're not licensed. Only an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent is licensed to send an offer and compromise to settle your debt or to do tax resolution. No one else, I got a little bit of the flu I'm getting over, no one else could even talk on your behalf to IRS. So speaking to the salesperson and the associates aren't any good. The person you have to speak to is someone like myself or an attorney, CPA, former or enrolled agent, and then you can start the conversation. And here's what's really important. Here's the questions I need you to ask them. A, how many cases like mine have you worked? How long have you been in business? What do you need to get started? If they ask for a check, hang up the phone. Before you start a case on someone's debt, you must have a financial statement that IRS is going to use to determine the outcome of your case. IRS is at the service center level going to want a 433F. At the local level, the ROs, they want a 433A. For if it's an offer and compromise, they want the 433A OIC. I will not take a case, or nor should anybody take your case. Anybody. So if you're calling them, say, well, you need to see my financial statement first. Well, no. Well, then they can't value your case. It's like you driving your car in a car dealership and you say something's wrong with my car, and they say, well, we want $1,500. But you don't know what's wrong with my car. I want to know what I can fix first. So what you want to do, here's the two most, sorry for my flu-like cough. You want to be able to speak to the person working your case, and then you need to fill out that form so that person can tell you exactly how they're going to remedy your case. Once you have the form, anyone has that form that is worth a crap, They're going to tell you exactly how IRS is going to close the case. They're going to tell you whether you're an offer and compromise candidate. They're going to tell you whether you're a payment agreement candidate, or they're going to tell you whether you're a currently non-collectible. Now, what you should do when you send that form, make sure you take away confidential information. Never send them your social security number, your driver's license number, or your bank account. So you can put what's in your bank account, never your account. So don't ever contact a firm in which, or you can contact them, don't ever go forward unless you give them those two, or you speak to, knowing who you're speaking to and what you're giving. Then at that point, a person should be able to say, okay, I can help you, and these should be the expected results. I know with us, I can tell you how the case is going to go down, but like I said, this is for you to have good information. You may want to use a particular person you know. Those are still the requirements. Don't believe your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads. All those are ad-driven companies to steer you to people, and you don't even know who those people are. You must know who you're calling. Everything I'm telling you should make perfect sense. How about giving me don't look at my snacks, you're looking at my snacks. I'm turning the camera away. Did you spot any of my snacks? No, I hope not. Give me a subscription if you would. You can go to my website, look at my information, call wherever you need to, but please know the truth. Make sure all your tax returns are filed too. Big, big plus.